Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Amal, and in this video I'm with this super rich adopt me server with somebody with a mega frost dragon, as you can see, a mega neon crow, a candy cannon, a lot of giraffes, a neon albino, neon frost, and my friend has a neon shadow. Yeah, that's amazing. Actually, now I'm a frost dragon. I want to offer for this. And one more thing, guys, I got a parrot. I traded my owl for it, and I think I did a pretty good trade. I didn't add anything. Yeah, I'm pretty sure of that. Okay. So my offer for normal frost dragon is a parrot and a neon unicorn. Oops, what happened? Let's see. Are they gonna do the trade? Oh no, why does everyone decline? This person has a mega neon frost dragon. I'm not gonna offer because I know that they're not gonna accept, and which is not worth. Actually, a neon owl. I want to offer for a neon owl. Oh, what's happening? The game is glitching. Okay, it's fine now. Wait, please wait. I'll ask the person if can I offer. Can I offer? Please let me offer for neon owl. Okay, they put a neon golden unicorn. I don't know, I just don't feel like offering right now. For that. For neon owl, I'm gonna put up a parrot. Neon unicorn, second neon unicorn. A neon polar bear. A pumpkin carriage. 4 T-Rexes. And I'll add after if they want me to. That's not the best offer, but I think it's pretty fine. I'll add after 2. Oh, they said sorry. But they traded me again. Okay, that's really traded me. But do frost dragon. I mean, I could offer my entire inventory for that. I still won't accept. I don't know. I don't know why I'm even offering for this, but why not? I'm bored, so let's just offer. Let me put up a polar bear, neon polar bear, a pumpkin carriage. I think I should make a neon T-Rex, but I want to make a mega unicorn. That's why I'm not trading I want to trade 1 T-Rex for like 2 unicorns or something. Reflection on me, serious. Oh my god, there is a mega shadow. I'm gonna add the person with the mega shadow dragon. There's a mega shadow dragon in the server, neon shadow dragon. Oh my god, what's happening? Oh, my game. Seriously, does my game have to glitch right this second? Oh my god, there's a mega shadow dragon in the server. I'm shocked right now. There's like oh my god, there's so many shadow dragons. There's this girl, I think. Is this girl? No, it's not the girl. Please trade. Oh, there's somebody shooting candy. Where did the mega shadow dragon go? I cannot even find it. I'm just trading. I'm just spamming the girl with the giraffe. Okay. Neon Arctic only. Oh my god, they put up a neon frost fury. I tried so hard to get rid of that. I don't really like frost. I mean, I like frost furies, but the problem is they're really hard to trade. Ooh, water walking potion. I don't want that. Let's see. Let's offer for this girl's giraffe. Please, why is she already in a trade? Please trade me, trade me. Okay. She's thinking what an offer. This is my friend with a neon shadow. I don't want to offer for these things. I mean, like, I didn't even try to offer for the mega shadow because I can't even get a normal shadow, forget the mega. Okay, I have to start with the oh wait, what? No, I don't want to buy a gift. I'm gonna. Okay, she's already. Why is everyone in the Mega Shadow Dragon? Here it is. Oh my god, oh my god. I love Shadow Dragons. Let me put up my parrot. Okay. There's this girl. I am Mega Queen. Where did she go? Mega Queen. I can't find her. Still, like, she has a Mega Shadow Dragon. Somebody has a Neon Shadow. This server, oh my god. Literally, oh my god. Okay, please. Okay, why she trade me? Trade me. Please trade me, Miss Giraffe. Oh my god, why is it? Oh, okay, she accepted a trade. Direct. Neon Unicorn. Second Neon Unicorn. Polar Bear. Pumpkin Carrot. This is 4 T-Rexes. Please do it. I'll add after 2. I'll add after 2. She didn't say something. Oh my god, seriously? Somebody said trading 2 chocolate eggs. What? What are those? Chocolate eggs. That's funny. Mega Frost Dragon. Oh, this girl with the Mega Shadow, Mega Frost Dragon, and the Mega Crow is saying that she's trading a Mega Frost Dragon for a normal black skateboard, and she wants to like give it to her brother, and that is like, is she like gonna trade her? I mean, I don't think so. It's a scam. Oh, we have somebody called Normal Bacon. Oh my god, the Mega Frost Dragon is wow, like literally. On this Metalox, I want to get this. Oh man, please accept Nancy. What? She doesn't even care. She has a Mega Frost Dragon and she wants to trade that for a black skateboard. What? Okay, she's trading somebody with a black skateboard and she is begging for that person to accept. What? How is she a scammer? I'm confused right now. Okay, I think she's kind of a scammer. She's just trolling people. There's so many parrots. Ooh, Mega Crow. Wait, what? Did she trade away? This girl is confusing right here. I'm actually Neonatic. How many Mega Frosts are there? Oh my god, did she actually trade her? No, okay. Wait, what? Huh? Did you trade your skateboard? This is confusing me. Did she actually? I'm gonna ask this girl with the Mega, who she traded the Mega Frost Dragon with. Wait a second. It could also be an alt account, guys. I don't know what's happening in this server. This server is so weird. I saw Mega Shadow Dragon and this is happening. Did you trade your... Wait. Did you trade your Mega Frost? This girl is very weird. Are you kidding me? Oh my god, she has 2 Mega Frosts. Add me. I'm gonna say add me. What's her user? It's my friend has one. I'll say my friend has one. Yeah, my friend has one. I mean, has one. I'm gonna say add me. Yes. Add me, miss. I'm Mega Queen. I don't want the blue skateboard, she wants the black one. Okay. She added me. She's offline. She's offline. I'm gonna say she's offline right now. Where did she go? Now I cannot find her. Oh my god, she has a mega. Like, wow, I'm bemused. I'm gonna follow her. Okay, I have Fruit Loops with me. Guys, I've been trying so hard to get. Let's see what happens. This is literally not a trading video. This is a video where I just care about a Mega Frost Dragon. Okay, this girl has a black skateboard. She's saying, okay, she has. Is she actually gonna trade her Mega Frost Dragon? Okay, I don't know what's happening. This girl said she wants. My friend has one, and if she's not a scammer and this is not her alt account, my friend will get a Mega Frost Dragon. What's happening? Okay, this girl is just like, please don't scam me. I'm gonna say, do you have normal frost? Do you have normal frost? I want a normal frost dragon. Do you have normal frost? Trade me if you have one. Oh my god. Oh. She said she does not have a giraffe. Bad dragon, anything like that? Do you have that? Bad dragon. Does she have anything like? Do you have a shadow dragon? Do you have a shadow dragon? Oh my gosh, she has a mega frost dragon, guys. I'm just. Can I? Oh, she has a shadow dragon. I want to offer. It's my dream pet. Mega neon shadow dragon. This girl is, oh my god. Invite me to family. I'm gonna say invite me to family. I am mega queen. This girl is, oh my god. Do you have normal? Do you have normal shadow? Oh my god, I don't know what's happening right now. This girl is offering, oh my god, I'm so loud. This girl is offering a mega shadow dragon for a black skateboard. I don't know what's happening. Okay, I met a girl with a mega shadow dragon and oh my god. Okay, I'm saying my friend is like a skateboard collector. My friend has black skateboard. She collects all the skateboards. She has like pink and black, and she also have a blue one, and okay, she will definitely accept a mega shadow dragon. She will accept your offer. She will accept your offer. My friend will accept. Oh my god, I don't know what's happening right now. This is an alt account of this girl and she traded me. Okay, so she wants a parrot and then I think she will log out from this account. Yeah, both of them. This is like her alt account and she wants me to offer for her black skateboard, and she's saying like my dream pet is parrot, and if I give her a parrot, like she's gonna log out of both accounts and I'm gonna get scammed, and I don't want that. Wait, My friend will accept my friend will accept your offer. I'm gonna say trade me. Wait. See guys, I told you that she's trying to scam me. Look, her alt account is trading me black skateboard, and she wants to scam me for my parrots. So guys, please don't fall for these scams. Oh yeah. Let me check if my friend is online. She left. Oh, my friend with the neon shadow, she left. Normal frost. See guys, this girl is a scammer and she's trying to scam us. I can't believe it, like, oh my god, thank god it didn't trade her. What do you call it? Oh my god, she's a mega shadow dragon, oh my god. I'm gonna invite her to my family because I want to hold that. Oh my god, I can't believe what's happening, guys. So I guess a girl with a mega shadow dragon tried to scam me and I didn't fall for it. That's good. Okay, got a trade. So guys, this was it for my video. Hope you enjoyed. If you did, smash the like button, hit the notification bell.